Sit. Sit. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Ready? 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 Okay. Come on, bring it in. Oh, good boy. All right, everyone. Welcome to this edition of Wrangler Paws. We've had a busy morning already. We've learned how to do the steps. We went to Petco, got a couple new toys, and now we're about to go to the dog park for the very first time. So if you end up liking this video, consider giving it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, consider leaving a comment down below, and let's go to the dog park. Ready? 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 Okay. All right, Wrangler, we go to the dog park.
You want to carry your ball?
There you go.
Gotta prance away with it.
It doesn't look like anybody's here.
Oh, okay.
You ready, Wrangler? First time.
Oh, what you think, little man?
You ready? Wrangler, 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 Wrangler. Sit. Hey, sit. Sit. Sit.
Oh, all the smells.
Ready? You free? Oh, yeah.
You gotta bring it back, dude.
Sure. What's up? What's up? What's up?
Are you having fun? Yeah, you never get to do this. Poor little baby. Oh, we're gonna dig.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
I'd rather lay in the mud.
He knows what he likes. Ooh, a bumblebee. He's had a big morning. Maybe he's tuckered out.
He's also 4 months old. 5 minutes of running is all he can do.
That's a lot. Oh, a little bit more digging. A little bit more digging before we go. Okay. Dig, 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 dig.
Come here. Wrangler. Are you done?
See how dirty he is.
Oh my gosh.
Dirty paws. Dirty paws and dirty pup. Dirty pup is a happy pup, aren't you? That's right. Yeah, one happy pup. Ooh, dirty mouth too, everything, yeah.
You just wanted to make sure you got another bath today.
Is it bath time? Should we go do bath time?
It's bath time.
It's bath time. You ready for some water?
All right, y'all. You got some running in. We have one tired pup. He's covered in mud and needs a bath. So we're gonna call it quits for the dog park for the day. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.
Sit. Good boy. Okay, stay. Good boy. Yes, you are. Come on, let's go.
He doesn't want to go home.
One dirty pup.
He had too much fun.
We'll come back, don't worry.
Daddy for the win, so we don't burn the paws.
Absolutely. Did you enjoy that Wrangler? I think you did.
I think so.
Yeah, I think we got a winner at the dog park.
I think the mud says it all.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he likes getting dirty.
He's in.
Oh,
I'm starting to see the dirt piling up. That's what you get. That's what happens when you play in the mud.